Children, today we are going to learn about exponents and powers. See, I have written a large number on the board. Can you read this number? No, you will struggle to read this number. So, to express a large number in a form which can be read, written or compared easily, we use the exponential form. Exponential form is a short form we use to express a large number. I have written 6 5 times in multiplication form. 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. So, when a number is multiplied by itself several times, it can be written in a short form. So, 6 is taken 5 times repeatedly, again and again it is taken 5 times. So, in short form we write 6 to the power 5. So, which number is taken again and again? Number 6 is taken again and again. So, it is the base here. Base is equal to 6. And how many times number 6 is taken? 5 times it is taken. So, 5 is the exponent. So, you can read this one as 6 to the power 5, or you can say 6 power 5. In a simple way, you can say 6 power 5. See, I write 5 power 2. So, whenever the power is 2, there is a special name to use. You can use this special name, square. For power 2, use the name square, and for power 3, use the word cube. So, how will you read this one? Instead of telling 5 power 2, you can say 5 square. And here, instead of telling 6 power 3, say 6 cube. Okay, now we will learn a few more examples. See, an expression is given. We are going to write the meaning of that expression. Meaning of that expression means in expanded form. And then let us find out the base of that expression, then exponent, and then lastly we are going to find out the value also. So, how will you read this one? 2 to the power 5, or you can simply say 2 power 5. And what is its meaning? 2 should be written again and again in multiplication form for 5 times. 2 should be written in multiplication form for 5 times. So, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the meaning of this one. So, what is its base? In 2 power 5, the base is 2 and the exponent is 5. And how will you find out the value of this expression? Multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 2s are 32. So, 32 is the value of this expression. Next one, minus 6 and the power is 3. So, I have already told you when the power is 3, there is a special name for power 3. How will you read this one? Minus 6 cube. Instead of telling minus 6 to the power 3, you should say minus 6 cube. And what is its meaning? Minus 6 should be written in multiplication form for 3 times. Take minus 6 3 times and put it in multiplication form. So, this is the meaning of this one. Minus 6 cube, which is its base in minus 6 cube? Minus 6 is the base and 3 is the exponent. Now, let us find out the value. When minus sign is taken 3 times or minus sign is taken odd number of times, What will be the product? The product will be negative. You have to put minus sign and then multiply the numbers. 6 6 are 36 and 36 into 6. Children, what is 36 into 6? How will you multiply it? 6 6 are 36. Remainder 3. 6 3s are 18 plus 3 is 21. So it is minus 216. The value of this expression is minus 216. The next one is minus 1 power 4. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So what is its base? Base is minus 1 and the exponent or the power is 4. Let us find out the value of this one. When minus sign is taken even number of times, the product is going to be positive. So the answer will be plus. If you want, you can put plus sign or leave it. So 1 into 1 is 1, again 1 into 1 is 1, and that 1 into this 1 is 1. So the product is plus 1. Next, 1 upon 5 square. This time the base is in fraction form, or we can say it is a rational number. So 1 upon 5 is taken repeatedly for 2 times. 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 5. This is the meaning of this one. So which is its base? Base is 1 upon 5 and the power is 2. Find out the value. First multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. 1 into 1 is 1. 5 into 5 is 25. So what is the value of 1 upon 5 square? It is 1 upon 25. Next one. Minus 2 upon 3 whole cube. When the power is 3, read it as cube. Okay. So minus 2 upon 3 is taken repeatedly for 3 times. What is its base? Base is minus 2 upon 3 and the exponent is 3. Let us find out its value. When minus sign is taken 3 times, the product will be minus. When minus sign is taken odd number of times, the product is going to be negative. And then multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So the answer is minus 8 upon 27. This minus sign can be put in the middle or it can be put along with 8. Both are correct. So the value of minus 2 upon 3 cube is equal to minus 8 upon 27. Next we will learn how to express the numbers in power notation. The first one is 8. Children, first you have to factorize this number. Find out the factor. 8 is divisible by 2. If you divide 8 by 2, the answer is 4. Again, 4 is divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Again, 2 is divisible by 2. When the answer becomes 1, you need to stop. And then write it in the expanded form. So 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Now let us write it in power notation. So which number is taken again and again? Number 2 is taken again and again. So that is going to be the base. So 2 is the base. And how many times it is taken? 3 times it is taken. So 3 is going to be the power or exponent. How will you read it? 2 cube. So when you express 8 in power notation, the answer is 2 cube. The next one, 256. So take 256. Let us take 216. It is divisible by 6. So divide 21 by 6 3 times, and then again 36 is divisible by 6. Divide it by 6. The answer is 6. Again divide 6 by 6. The answer will be 1. So how will you express this one? 6 into 6 into 6. Here the base is 6 and the power is 3. The answer is 6 cube. Next one, minus 343. Now let us leave minus sign, only factorize the numbers. 343 is divisible by 7. If you divide 343 by 7, the answer is 49. Again divide it by 7. The answer will be 7. Again divide 7 by 7. Answer is 1. Now this answer, the product has minus sign. So when you write it in power notation, you have to put it in this way. Minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. Here your answer is 7 into 7 into 7. Since the product is negative, you put it as minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. Here minus sign is taken odd number of times, so your product will be negative. How will you write it in power notation? Minus 7 power 3. You have to read it as minus 7 cube. This is a rational number. So first factorize the numerator and then factorize the denominator. Then we are going to write it in power notation. 49 divided by 7 is 7. So 49 is written as 7 into 7. And then 25. 25 is divisible by 5. The answer is 5. Again divide it by 5. The answer will be 1. So it is 5 into 5. Now you can take it as 7 upon 5 and 7 upon 5. So 7 upon 5 is taken 2 times. So the power is going to be 2. How will you read it? 7 upon 5, the whole square. Now we are going to learn how to simplify these expressions. Minus 5 cube into minus 1 power 7 into 2 square. What is the answer for minus 5 cube? It will be, first let us write it as minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. Here minus 1 is taken 7 times. Into minus 1, into minus 1, into minus 1, into minus 1. Next 2 is taken 2 times. Okay. First find out the product of this one. Minus 5 is taken 3 times. The product is going to be negative. So minus 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. Next, minus 1 is taken 7 times, odd number of times. So the product is going to be minus, and if you multiply 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, 7 times or 10 times or 20 times, the product is 1. So minus 1 power 7 is minus 1 into 2 into 2 is 4. Again we are going to multiply. 1 minus into minus is plus, 125 into 1 is 125 into 4. So 5 4s are 20, remainder 2, 2 4s are 8 plus 2, 10, remainder 1, 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer for this one is plus 500, or simply you can say 500. Minus 2 upon 3 power 4 into minus 3 upon 4 cube. First let us write it in the long form. Minus 2 upon 3 into 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 minus 3 upon 4 into minus 3 upon 4 into minus 3 upon 4. Let us find out the answer for this one. Minus sign is taken 4 times, that is even number of times. So the product will be positive. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 3 is 81 into minus 3 upon 4 is taken 3 times, odd number of times. So the product will be minus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Then 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. We have to multiply 16 upon 81 into minus 27 upon 64. Children, here we can reduce the number, cancel the numbers. 16 ones are 16. These two numbers are divisible by 9. This is 3 times. Again 1 time, 3 times. Let me write it here. 1 upon 3 into minus 1 upon 4. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 and 3 into 4 is 12. So what is the answer? Minus 1 upon 12 is the answer for this one. Minus 2 upon 3 power 4 into minus 3 upon 4, the whole power 3 is equal to minus 1 upon 12. Now we will learn this. 2 square plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. Write 2 square in multiplication form. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 into 3 plus 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4. So find out the product of these 3 multiplications. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Now add all these 3 products. 4, 7 and 4. These 3 numbers are in the units column. So take the digits in the units column and add. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. Remainder 1. Then take the numbers in tens column. 2 plus 6 is 8 and add the remainder. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer is 95. Next we are going to learn powers of minus 1. Minus 1, and if the power is odd natural number, that means if the power is 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 and so on, if the power is an odd natural number, your answer will be minus 1. Minus 1, and the power is even natural number. If the power is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, your product will be 1. Let us solve some questions. Now, minus 1 power 7, and the power is an odd natural number. So, even without multiplying, you can give the answer. What is minus 1 power 7? It is minus 1. Next, minus 1 power 8. Here the power is an even natural number. So when minus 1 is taken even number of times, the product is going to be 1. You don't have to multiply. If you understand this, you can directly give the answer. Let me ask two more sums. What is minus 1 power 11? Yes, since the power is an odd natural number, the product is minus 1. Minus 1 power 26. Since the power is even natural number, minus 1 power 26 is equal to 1. Children, I hope you have understood what I taught you today.